Kaolin is a kind of non-metallic mineral. It is a kind of clay and clay rock, mainly composed of kaolinite clay minerals. Because of its white and fine, also known as dolomite, ball press can be used to press into balls. Kaolin ball press pellet shape can also be changed, commonly round, but also square and rectangular, can be controlled by the roll model. In most cases, however, the material shape of the kaolin ball press is spherical, which facilitates demolding and is not breakable during transportation. For its model, the larger the kaolin ball press, the larger the roller. The size of the roller directly affects the kaolin processing capacity. So the larger the ball roller, the higher the output, the higher the cost of equipment. The ball size of kaolin ball press can be carried out according to industry standards. If there are special application requirements, the user can customize the sphere size to the manufacturer.